Now, it show you how to carry the panels if you're working by yourself. I'll show you if you're working by yourself how you do it. And then after the second panel, I'll show you how you work with a helper or somebody working with you. This panel is good enough to be carried by one person. This is one. Make sure I take out all these. I'm glad they tied these so that they don't interfere with you carrying it. So I usually carry it like this. And I hold it like this. Go to that. And I go on the rope. It's gonna lay on my head. Then you prop it right here. Then you prop it right there. And then what you do, after you prop it right there, you unhook this. This one go to the female. This is the male right there. This is the male. It goes to the woman. That's the woman. This is the penis right there. You see right there? That's the penis, and that is vagina. So always remember that the penis go in the vagina right there. So this is plug, and when it's like this, what I do, I'll tie when I go right there.
So these both, they need to go at, we can do anywhere at anyone, or
if the what?
like these two wire, like we can, because both of them are female, right?
Don't worry about that. They woman and female.
Just anywhere, any of them.
Yeah.
Any of them.
Yeah. That's the way they can. And then when you do that, I wanted to show you, because I'm gonna tie this, but you can stop the video